Hey traders, Jason here with Daytrading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. So this video is the weekly watch list for June 12th, 2022. I made one earlier, didn't like it, took it down, so you might be watching this for a second time. But sorry about that. But let's kind of jump right into the video. Okay, so let's take a look at the S&P Emini futures. What we see, and let's kind of start from scratch. We do see a very nice clean channel starting to form, right? Duplicate this, just pick those highs, and this is kind of what I'm going to draw, where we're actually potentially having a couple channels within a channel. So duplicate this again like this. We could see this channel broke down a little bit, right? Then we bounced. We're coming right back down to the slower end, but this is actually the channel I'm more kind of concerned about right now. So let's get rid of that one. Let's draw a trend line down like this. Okay, and this is kind of what's happening. We might be setting up for a potential falling wedge, just something to keep an eye on. But also, if we look at volume, there's really, it's starting to increase a little bit on this down move, which may tell us, as we look back in the past, usually high volume spikes usually signal the lows. Well, guess what? We might be starting to see that. So keep an eye on it for this coming week with what's going on. We do have the Fed announcement. We had CPI a couple days ago on Friday. There's a lot of pressure on the market. Couple things that I'm looking at doing is any move lower. I'm watching the VIX. I'm going to see if we actually start to and keep falling to where I'll go sell some puts in the S&P Emini futures. But I also want to talk to you guys real quick about, I just released a brand new course, which is actually this one right here. This is what I've been offering, S&P Emini weekly trade zones with my how to draw trade zones. It's still available, but I just released my top 5 trading strategies video course, over 7 hours of trading education, $299 lifetime access for this course. And if you go to my website, links down below, daytradingfearless.com, you will see you also get over 30 special thinkorswim indicators, which is a $100 value. But in addition to that, you're going to get a personal one-on-one phone call coaching session with me about the course, where you can ask me any questions, anything like that. So make sure you guys check that out. Again, both courses are available, but it's essentially my top 5 trading strategies that I'm teaching you, that all kind of combine together. So with that being said, let's jump right back into the video right now, and let's take a look at the NQ. NQ, I'm still watching this, probably 10,000, we'll call it 600. Nice swing low here, right? Kind of a big breakout pullback, hasn't come back down to this level. We're finally coming down. It's also the 1618 Fibonacci retracement. My ultimate target is 10,000 on the NQ, so keep an eye there. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil, nice kind of breakout of this wedge. If we kind of clean everything up right here, okay, what we're going to see is projections of where price potentially could go. So let's get rid of all these. Let's grab our Fibonacci extension tool. We're going to go from this low to this high, and then right back down to this low. And my ultimate goal target, and I've been saying this for months, is the 150 level. I think that's where we're going. It's just, it feels gas isn't getting any cheaper. There's a lot of momentum behind it. I think that's where we're going on crude oil, so I'm bullish. Let's take a look at Bitcoin / BTC. With Bitcoin, nice potential bear flag starting to form, right? So keep an eye on this. Here's the flagpole. I would not be surprised to see this roll over and come down to my ultimate target of around 21 to 22,000. That was the prior highs. That's what I've been calling for a long time on Bitcoin. So we will see if that actually resolves itself to the downside. Might do it this week, might take a couple weeks. Let's take a look at gold, GLD. Gold, nice reversal day right here on gold. I would be watching probably the 180 levels to the upside, which would be the back of this trend line if we extend it out. Also extend this down, we potentially could get stuck right around this 176.50 level, which would kind of be this prior low. So just something to keep an eye out for. Silver, I think silver has put in a potential low. Nice pullback, nice reversal. If we could get above this 20, we'll call it 65 level, I think we'll go up to around the 2175 to retest the 200 period moving average. And then finally, AAPL. Nice kind of making lower highs and lower lows. Let's grab our Fibonacci extension, go from this high to this low right here, and then all the way back up. And these are the levels I'm watching. Probably this 125 level I really like. If we get there, I'll probably go sell the 100 puts going a few weeks out. So those are some of the trades that I'm looking at. And then also kind of going back to the ESs, I'm going to be looking to start selling puts all the way out let's kind of clean this up. I'm going to be looking to sell puts in probably August and also September. If we go to all, just kind of look at the premium we could collect for the 3,000 puts. Could collect probably about $14-15 for those with 68 days out. I really like it. I don't think we're going anywhere near 3,000. Lots of premium. And then even the 22, let's go PM settle or AM. Right. Even out to September, you could collect about $22 for those. Actually, about 20, yeah, probably $22 out to September. So I'm looking for a expansion of volatility and things like that. And here's the other thing. These are the courses that are going to be available or that are available in my new trading course, right? I'm going to teach you how to trade the waterfall. Okay, the divergence, learn how to draw trade zones. That's in my $99 course. But you'll also get the Fibonacci pullback and selling puts for monthly income. These are my kind of bread and butter trades that I've been using for years and just want to bring them to you. Again, links down below, $2.99 lifetime. You also get the weekly S&P Emini trade zones every week that I update them in the members section. So make sure you guys check that out and be safe out there this week. And we will talk to you soon. Thank you.